Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a vertical line on your Google Docs in the page. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a vertical line on Google Docs is it's easy and simple. Just go to the insert option here and click on the drawing option here and click on the plus symbol. Now you just need to pick a line here. Just click on the select and click on the line here. Just create a straight line, a vertical line, and now click on the line weight and just increase the line weight that you want. For an example, I choose line weight as 8px. It's huge actually. You can also choose as 4px or the 8px that you want. And after here you can select the style of the thing, like a dash or a dot or a line. So after creating the line, click on the save and close. Now you can see we have created a vertical line here. You can just move the line by using after selecting this, you can change the position, and also you just click on the size and rotation option, and here you can see an option called you can see the position, move with the text or fix the position on the page. And now you can just move by x-axis and y-axis. From here on the side you can see an option. You just increase the x-axis and y-axis. You can adjust the position. If I need to the center of the page, I can adjust here, and you can have a quick layout here, and you can use this also. It will fix on the center. So I'm just going to zoom out here to show you. So like this you can adjust the line, vertical line, using this particular option, image option. I think this video useful to you. If it is useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about the Google Docs, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Silak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.